Namaste. Welcome to Institute of Hotel Management Hajipur's Insomnia Kitchen. In the series of various demonstration of basic things, today we are here to demonstrate the preparation of brown stock. To help me on this, I have the team manager of Club Insomnia, Mr. Vikas, and on camera we have the Vice President of Insomnia, Mr. Sahas Tiwari. Now, as you all know that brown stock is one of the basic ingredients which is prepared in kitchen. In French, the brown stock is known as excellent estouffee. Now estouffee is basically, if you will go into the literal meaning of estouffee, it means cook for long time. So here, that is what we are ready to prepare this dish. We require brown bones. We are using chicken bones here. You can also prepare this with veal bones, knuckle bones. Knuckle shin bones is basically used, and veal bones are preferred to prepare brown stock. But in our kitchen, we are making the stock with brown stock, brown bones of chicken. We are using, you can see here, this is already brown mirepoix, tomato puree, and the ingredients that we will add in the bouquet garni, that is thyme, peppercorn, bay leaf, and parsley stem. So we are going to start the preparation of our brown stock. First, we have to heat the pan. Then we have to add our brown bones. So please stir them a little bit. Now we will add cold water in that. Please add water. The water should cover your bones properly. The roasting of the bones was done at 180 degrees centigrade for 1.5 hours. Slowly we have to roast so that it gets a nice brown color. Now we will just keep it heating. By the time it is heating, it will take another 15 minutes to heat. Now here many of you make a mistake. What mistake you make? That you add your mirepoix in the first only along with your bones. Now if you will add your mirepoix along with the bones, what will happen is that bones will take time to release its juices, its flavor into the water, and by the time all the mirepoix will become mashed, that will give you a very cloudy brown stock. So in order to get nice brown stock, you have to add mirepoix once your bones are simmered for at least half an hour, and then you have to keep on skinning it. Remove the scum. The scum which will form on top, you have to remove that. So for that, Mr. Vikas will help me on that. So by the time it is getting heated, okay, now our stock has simmered for almost half an hour. After that, we will add our brown mirepoix, which is a mixture of carrot, onion, leeks, and celery. Because please stir them little bit, just slowly. Enough, that's it. Don't need to stir the stock for longer, just so that the vegetables get mixed inside. Now, as we are making brown stock of chicken bones. Now chicken bones will not give you that brown color which you will get from veal bones. So in order to improve this dish, get a little bit extra color as well as little bit of tanginess, we will be adding 2 spoons of tomato puree. 2 big spoons. So I have small spoon. To add more flavor in this, we will be adding bouquet garni. Now bouquet garni is a bundle of house. You can also add sachet of spice, which is you have to tie in a muslin cloth. Here we are going to strain the stock later. To add more flavor in this, we are adding, this is parsley stock, the stem of parsley, which is not used in kitchen any other part, we will use for making this stock. This is bay leaf, peppercorn and thyme. Now you can use fresh thyme, which will give you definitely more flavor, but here we have dried thyme, so we are using dried thyme. Just give it a little bit of stir in this, and we will let it simmer for another 1 hour. And in meanwhile, we will be keep scumming on this. To scum this, we have to use perforated spoon. Slowly you have to take the scum from the side, what you see on the side, and then you have to dip in a cold water. So that, can you do it, Vikas, for me? Yes. So all the scumming, whatever will be there on the sides, needs to keep on removing. By that time, your stock will be clear. Now Vikas, I have a question for you. What is the use of this brown stock in our kitchen?
So brown stock is used for making different type of sauce.
Very good. All the brown sauce, the base is brown stock. So derivatives of all the brown sauce, like your Chaucer sauce, demi-glace, Bordelaise sauce, we will be using it for that also. But this brown stock is also used for bottoms. Stock we are already making. You can also prepare various soups with this. To name consomé, you can use this brown stock. You can also prepare French onion soup using your brown stock. So by the time this coming is done, now when should we add salt in this? Mr. Vikas? This is what the mistake most of the people do. As hoteliers, we always season our all the dishes. But remember, do not put salt in this, because this is your base. You are going to reduce it in future to use for various other dishes. So make sure that don't add salt in this. Okay. After your stock is ready, then you have to strain this. So it will take another half an hour to stock to get ready. Stock has simmered for almost 1.5 hours, and you can see that it has a nice brown color and very nice aroma. So our stock is ready for straining. So we will strain the stock and show you a little bit. First, switch off the gas. Please strain it slowly. Enough. That's it. Now, just to show you this color, this is the nice brown color it has got with full flavor of chicken. So our brown stock is ready. Now this brown stock we will use for preparation of various sauces and soups. Now we will be coming how we will prepare these dishes in the next videos. Till then, with Mr. Vikas, I Anupam Kumar, Senior Lecturer of IHM Hajipur. On camera we have Saharsh Tiwari. All three of you would like to thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe and like our video. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next week again. Thank you. Namaskar.